Hi, my name is Lana Marconi and I practice TCM acupuncture in my clinic, and I also prescribe herbs to my patients. Over the years, I've also incorporated aromatherapy into my health business, and I have observed its benefits. I decided to create a course to share with you the healing advantages of using aromatherapy, whether personally or professionally. I have called this course Aromatherapy Foundations and Formulas. It's a beginner's course introducing you to some of the science behind essential oils and how to use aromatherapy. In this course, I cover approximately 46 oils, 30 of them being popular essential oils and the rest being carrier oils. I thoughtfully go through and explain each oil profile and also provide research supporting their properties. In the second half of this course, you will learn how to easily craft and blend various essential oils with carrier oils so as to create luxurious and natural body bath and hair products. For example, you will learn how to create a roll-on for spot treatment and also for stimulating acupressure points. Other exciting and useful products that you will learn to craft in this course include a face oil, a body massage oil, a hair treatment oil, a deodorant stick, and a bath salt soak. There are quite a few products that you will learn to create in this course, approximately 21 different formulations, and you can read about those in the course description. For my TCM acupuncture colleagues, I show you how to use various essential oils according to TCM patterns and principles and acupuncture points and even the 5 elements. I hope you enjoy the science and art of aromatherapy presented to you in this course, and that the information helps to elevate your health and wellness. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, feel free to message me. Thank you and enjoy the course.